Here is a Typeless review. You can go ahead and access Typeless on Google Chrome by just searching for www.typeless.com. Now, what is Typeless? Typeless is a turn your words into polished messages. First is it removes filler like and you know. Second is it removes repetition. Automatically detects and removes unnecessary repeated words in your speech. Next is it auto edits when you change your mind. So you can go ahead and auto edit the speaking voice that you want. So this is just like a voice recording a message and it will turn into words. Now, it offers different application depending on your end and you can use it. It is also available to download on Mac and Windows depending on which device that you want. So, if you want to use a more good transcribing application, then Typeless is the good one for you.